As I'm taking off a garbage disposal, I take off this line. It has one screw, and then this one has two screws, which is right there, two screws, so that's coming off. And now I have to unscrew this to bring this whole thing down, make sure it's disconnected. That way this whole thing comes down. This is taking off our garbage disposal for a house sink. Alright guys, these you don't have to mess with. Don't mess with these. And you're just gonna slide this. It's already been off, but all you gotta do is slide it. It comes right off from there. I don't know what this is called, but this came with the garbage disposal. Just slide it and it comes off. That's it. Just make sure you have your hand underneath. That way it comes down.